Fly Babies. Hello, cats, lions. I know you're so strong. I'm so proud of you. Today is Tuesday, your free day. So if you are at home or a payroll Fly Baby, the first thing we're going to do is get up this morning and do our routines. Repeat, repeat, repeat. It's very important. So once you've gotten your morning routine done, then put your children through their routines. If you're new and this sounds strange to you, please go watch my video entitled How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. It's 40 minutes long. It's on my homepage. You'll need a pen and paper and some time to focus and concentrate. All right, after we do our morning routine and we put our children through their routines, then we're going to do, well, if you're working, you're going to get in your car or however you get to work and enjoy your trip there, fully made up with your clothes on, knowing everything at home is under control and the kids are fine at school or wherever they are. The next thing we're going to do is when we get to work, again, I always tell you this, you're not going to spend a lot of time speaking to people, but you are going to say hello and be convivial, right? Get yourself something to drink, a glass of water, a cup of coffee, whatever. Go to your desk and clear it off. I mean, this should be clear already. Open up your control journal and start working on editing out those old emails, or just even if they're yesterday's emails, but they need to go, and filing physical paperwork that needs to be put away. Those are really mundane tasks. We always think, oh, I'll do that later today. We never get to it, and that's how you end up where you are. So get those done first. Have that in your control journal of things to do. And then this is a brand new week. We just started it yesterday, so see how you're doing so far and work through your control journal. If you don't know what to put in your control journal, please go to my video in the playlist entitled Control Journals and find the one for Fly Babies who are payroll Fly Babies and make your control journal. It's easy to do and you can do it. It'll make all the difference in the world. Take the time. And it will be an evolution. It won't be something that's you make it and it's perfect. It's going to grow and evolve and change. And that's okay. That's okay. It's kind of organic. Okay, then I want you to really enjoy your breaks and lunches. That's very important for your mental health. Your physical health is affected by your mental health, so I want you to be healthy. And you can take a little bit of your lunch hour or your break to do some of your things that you could be doing at home. Now, we have a free day today at home. Unfortunately, when we work, we don't get a free day. We get a free day on Saturday afternoon and Sunday, and that's it. And that's just the way it is. But we do get a break and lunch without kids pulling on us. So actually that can be an advantage. And also the trip to and from work can be our own private time. So just make that a time you really enjoy. Don't rush through traffic. Listen to great music, books on tape, whatever. Don't waste your time putting on your makeup in the car. Enjoy your trip. Make that part of your self-care. All right, only telling you this from experience. So since we don't have a free day, we're going to look and see how are we doing on the basic weekly home blessing hour. Is there something else you need to delegate? Please do that. Do not stutter on this one. It will make all the difference in your home life, and it will help your children become independent and thinking adults at some point. All right, so delegate that. If you have no one to delegate to, then when you come home today, you'll just do 10 minutes of your weekly home blessing hour. The other thing that we're going to do today when we get home is we're going to work on our bedroom, our master bedroom, master closet, and master bathroom if you have one. All right, so when you get home, you're going to put in your laundry. And while it's going, you're going to go through an inch of your paper until you have no more. And at some point you will have no more because you're going to complete the process when you bring your mail in every day of sorting it quickly, putting action items in your inbox, putting to be filed in your inbox. Everything else goes into the trash or shred or whatever makes you happy. So at some point you won't have to go through the 1 inch, and you could ignore me when I say that. But if you have paper, stack it up in a stack, go through an inch of it every day, just sorting, not handling. You're going to handle it on Wednesdays, okay? Or whatever day you determine is your desk day. You remember, you're the CEO and you can move these things around. Just make sure you do each of the things I ask you to do. All right, the next thing we're going to do is make supper. While supper is simmering on the stove, holding in the oven, or sitting on warm in the crock pot, we're going to go ahead and do the 10 minutes of the weekly home blessing if you haven't delegated it. If you have children who are big enough to delegate to and you haven't, shame on you. Shame on you. I really, really want you to start doing this. I love you, and I'm not saying you're a terrible person. I'm saying stop putting it off. Are you afraid to exert a little authority? Is that the problem? Do you have children who are bulky and just won't do it because without a lot of prodding? You know what? You can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens you. You are a lion. You are strong, and children need something strong to lean against, right? So you can do this. You don't have to do it mean. You have to be firm but kind and try to see it from their point of view. Never give them huge jobs. 5 minutes is plenty. Just like you wouldn't want somebody to pop a 15-minute job on you or a 30-minute job on you, or something that's vague like clean your room. That's too vague. So you give them a specific job for 5 minutes. Delegating the weekly home blessing hour is also a little thing you can do that takes 5 minutes. Now, some of those jobs are 10 minutes long. So what? They don't do the whole thing? Big deal. They'll do something. All right. And then you can do something in your bedroom. So if you have clutter in your bedroom, it's 15 minutes. If you don't have clutter in your bedroom, just pick one item to do in there and do that in your bedroom, your closet, or your bathroom. All right. That's it. Now let's go home and talk to our at-home fly babies. So you're going to do the same. Well, no, you're not going to do the same thing. It's your free day. You're going to put in your laundry, and you're going to go through an inch of paper, and that's it. The next thing you have to do is your routine for after dinner with the family. So we're going to do that along with our payroll sisters and brothers. So we're going to all serve dinner, and everyone's going to help us clean up. It wouldn't hurt for them to help you prepare as well, but everyone is going to help us clean up, right? Simple job, happy time, fun family memories being created here. Then before bed routine, if you're exhausted, do yours first. If you're not exhausted, do the kids first. It's your call. That's it. Don't forget to plan for Wednesday. No, Wednesday is going to be your desk day and your planning day. So in the morning, if you work, you want to check out your fridge real quick and your pantry and your freezer to see what you've got on hand so you can make your grocery list while you're at work. That's it. Have a fabulous day. Always remember that you are beautiful.